Hello. In this video, I show you how to enable and configure Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA in your NAKIVO Backup and Replication instance. Before we begin, make sure you've configured email notifications in the solution settings. You will also need to log in as an administrator or user with user management and configuration permissions. Follow the link in the description for a quick guide on configuring email notifications. Now, log into the solution, open Settings, and select Users and Roles under the General tab. Hover over the user to whom you wish to add two-factor authentication and click the three dots on the far right. Select Enable Two-Factor Authentication from the drop-down list, then click Enable to confirm your selection. Once enabled, click the three dots again and select Edit to configure the two-factor authentication parameters. Click the Configure button next to the two-factor authentication field, then click Continue. You will need to verify the email address via a confirmation code sent to your email. Click Continue, and check your inbox for the code. Enter the code provided in the email and click Verify. Hit the Skip button if you don't want to enter an alternative email address. Download and install Google Authenticator or similar 2FA apps on your Android or iOS device, then click Continue. Select a pairing method in the window that appears. You can choose to scan the QR code in the pop-up window or receive a code you can manually enter into the Google Authenticator app. If you have questions about any of the steps in this video, let us know in the comments section and we will make sure to respond. Once done, enter the 6-digit verification code from Google Authenticator into the field and click Continue to proceed. Copy or write down the pairing key that appears on the screen. You can use this key to add multiple devices to your account if needed. Optionally, click Download pairing information to save the key's usage instructions. Click Continue. These one-time codes can be used to log in if you cannot provide a verification code. Click the Download as PDF link to save these codes in PDF format or write them down. Click Continue. Finally, enter one of the one-time codes and click Finish to confirm that you have saved them. The selected user now has two-factor authentication enabled and configured. Click Save to save your configurations. Thank you for watching. Please take a second to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to catch new uploads. You can also visit the NAKIVO website to download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.